Hi, I'm Charlie Kasov. I'm a math teacher, and today we're going to learn how to make a stem and leaf plot using single-digit numbers. Now, stem and leaf plots are most useful for multi-digit numbers, so they can be confusing with single-digit numbers. First, you want to make your stem and leaf plot. So you write stem, leaf, and here we're only going to have one digit. The stem side of the plot always has a single digit. Now, because we're using single digit numbers, it's going to have a 0. So let's say our set includes the numbers 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, and 9. When we want to put this into a stem and leaf plot, we are actually just going to rewrite the exact same set in the leaf. So we'd say 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 9. So this could be calculating, say, a group of kids, ages 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, and 9, and so on. If for some reason you then had the number 11, then you would put a 1 here and a 1 here. So the 1 here stands for 10. The 0 here stands for no 10. If we had a 23, then we'd add a 2 and a 3. But because we're only using single digits, they're all in the 0 stem and the actual numbers in the leaf. So I'm Charlie Kasov, and you just learned how to make a stem and leaf plot using single-digit numbers. Thanks a lot.